Kemcho Bencho. It's your boy. I'm back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was just a random day. I just decided, hey, after exam, I need to go somewhere. To refresh my mind. So, I had to go to the Statue of Unity. That's my favorite. I think I've been there for like more than 7 times. And I think I'm going to be there again. I'm still going there again. That's my favorite place. It's actually cool. So I was arriving at Statue of Unity. You can see this bridge. This bridge is very nice. I was also speeding because I went there at 2 p.m. So I had to reach there 2:30. Like I needed an hour to reach there. Because from my place to Statue of Unity, it's like 1 hour 40 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 40 minutes. So I had to speed so that I can be there in time. So I arrived at Statue of Unity, and you can see that there is order, and there was no one here. You can see there was no one in the queue. But hey, to my surprise, when I reached to the bus station to board those free buses, I saw many people. Many people went to see everything there. It was very, very nice. I loved being there. That was an amazing moment. So we're following the way, and you can see this door is opening, and then there are these people buying from the vending machine. It's actually nice. Every time they are upgrading. Every time we go there, they are upgrading. And you see, what I was saying, these people, they just come to see everything in the Statue of Unity. But now I think there was an event which was happening, like something which was going on. Because when on my way going to Statue of Unity, I was meeting some police cars with some VIP cars, showing that there was a guest who was at Statue of Unity. So these people, after they finished the program, they had to just go and see like the jungle safari where there is animals, just see the floral gardens, the dam. So you can see we boarded the bus on our way. My intention was to go to jungle safari. So I just bought the bus because it was very easy. They don't allow my bike to go there, but you can see other bikes are moving. I don't know, maybe that day they were allowing bikes, but they don't allow bikes to go there. So I just followed the rules. I boarded the bus. I went inside, and I had to reach jungle safari. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jungle Safari, a home of animals, beautiful animals, everything, every animal you have seen before, you can find in Jungle Safari, and good breeds, they are pure breeds. So you can see these people, they were taking pictures and photos like as family pictures, so that they remember this experience, memories. And I paid my tickets, and I was now on my way to go inside, check what's happening inside, to check what's really going on. Because last time I left, they were not. It was not like this. There are many changes. Even this order, this where queue we are on is different. So let's find out. These people, they were also going same way, jungle safari. So we first entered in the cat family. We all know the cat family, but this one was empty. But I think that there was something there. Something was there. The second one, that's where we saw a small leopard. It was just sitting, just relaxing. Maybe it's because of the time. It was like 3-4 p.m. Maybe it was tired. So it was just sitting. You can see, check that one. It was not that visible, but it was because it was kind of far, and the glass was not that clean. That's why. But you can see it. That one, that small leopard, just relaxing, scratching its legs. You know how animals do. And we're like, okay, fine, say let's move, let's go and see another animals, because today we have to see many animals and I have to show my family, you guys are my family. There is no family in this world like you guys, and let's keep on increasing this family. Let's keep on adding this family. Look at this, the king of the jungle. Ha! This one, don't play around this one. And there were two. I was enjoying. And then we moved again to see the big leopard. Let me try to zoom it. Let me try to zoom. Exactly. That one. Wait, I have to zoom it. Yeah, exactly. This one is the big leopard. The big one. It was just also relaxing. I now feel like these animals, they are just good when it comes to hunting. But if they are not hunting, they are lazy. Why are you sitting there? Come close to us. Let us watch you. Let us see you. And this was the jaguar. The jaguar was with the cheetah. Yeah, they were together. I don't know why they put it in the same glass, but the jaguar and the cheetah, they were in the same glass. They're just chilling, cooling down. You can see that jaguar, the black one. It was also they were very, very far. So I tried to zoom them. They were very, very far. That is the cheetah, you can see. And then this part, I loved this part. This part was my favorite, the tiger. My favorite, one of my favorite animals. It was just playing around, playing in the pool. This made me opt to buy a tiger in my future. I have to be rich. I need to buy a tiger. A tiger is good, but these animals, they are scary. You can't live with this animal in the same house. You know, when these animals roar, especially a lion, when it roars in the house, the whole neighborhood, they scramble. They fear that they will run away. They will think that the lion has escaped the house or is attacking someone. But we gotta do something. We have to live very far from people. With the age, look at this animal, big one. If you meet this animal in the road, run away. Don't stop. Run away. Try your best. Run away. But I love this animal. And also you can see this one, Kingdom Animalia, the main JavaScript. I just tired also because you know my bike is a sport bike. Driving like 85 kilometers is too much. And we on our way walking, and I love these Statue of Unity programs, like how they program their things. They also give us some transport to move from place to place. You see these ones, we had to board this one to these electric vehicles to just move from this place to another place, because it's also far. It's not that easy to walk this whole place alone without the help of these vehicles. But thanks to these guys, they help us. And also these guys, you see these boys, they were looking at me. It's because I've been with them in the queue. There were many people, so we had to wait for these electric vehicles in the queue. So I was with them. They were also asking some questions. You know how it is. Where are you from? What's your name? Okay, some they ask a country. You can see this hippopotamus. I don't know if I correctly say it, but it's hippopotamus. That one was just managing its business. You know, when they say you mind your own business, that's what this animal was doing. So just doing his business, no caring about anything. These animals, I don't know. If you know, please, can you type in the comment section? Help me, please. This animal, is it a boo? Is it a British boo, American, but it's Indian version, which means Asian boo, maybe. You can say Asian boo. I don't know. Help me, please. I also have to find out what is the name of this one. And the guy was also slowing down so that we can also see. This was very, very good adventure. You know, when you are enjoying in your own space, trying to relax. And also after exam, what you gotta do? Some they go to sleep. Me I go for adventure. We have to enjoy. But at this point, they were like, hey, you guys, I have to drop you here. You have to go inside. You have to walk inside and see some birds. All kind of birds you can find them. And me, I'm from Africa. When I see birds, what do you think? I need some fire to cook. I need some fire and some pots to cook. But they were security. I can't do that. They were security. I can't do that. You see, we were watching all these kind of birds, the nice ones, the peacock, everyone, every type of bird was there. Some of them I don't even know the names. There is this small bird that I liked that I saw. Let me show you. This one. Yeah, exactly. This one. It was just cooling down, chilling. It was not scared. It was not even flying away, it was just chilling down there. I think it's now used to people, so it just chills. This is the peacock. Everyone knows this one, but I don't know why it was not even moving its feathers. That one, how it do when it sees people. Maybe it's now used to people, or it was seeing us as animals also. And this was very, 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 very big place to watch all kind of birds. But I guess I saw like 3 peacocks there. They are supposed to put 2 or 1 each. Why you are doing very favor? But I think in the bird family there, it's now possible to put many types, because they are not that big as compared to lions. You can't put more than 5 lions in one cage. It will be too much food, too much things. But these ones, they don't eat too much food. Look at these ones. They are in the pond finding some food. I told you before in my previous video, I'm an African man. If I see water, I need to swim. We have to swim. We have to swim. It's like me and water, we are like friends. But hey, thanks to my friend, she stopped me. She was like, "Wait, you focus on your adventure." But I wanted to swim, and also the water was dead. But who cares? Who cares? We care about water. Look at me. I was watching the birds, everything. It was nice. It was actually nice. The place, even the design, the decoration, how they do it. That's one thing I love about India. Indians, in decorations, yes, they are good at it. If you want your wedding to look aesthetic, just to call Indian people, call them. Just find Indian people who do decorations, or you just come to India and do your wedding in India. You will see that it's sapatina. For those who know what sapatina, they will tell you. Sapatina is like, it's wonderful, it's wow, it's just enjoyable. Everything is cool. And I think this is another peacock. I was seeing many peacocks. It was too much. So this is now our way out, going out. After seeing all these type of birds, I even tried to zoom other birds because they were far and their color, you can't even see them because of it was also getting dark. So the quality, you can't see everything. And we finished the birds. We had to walk to board another vehicle, but on the way there were some animals, so I was also trying to see some animals, but they were very fast. So I'll be trying to zoom them. I think that is where, in this segment, that is where I saw the deer, the kudus, the impala. I think the impalas are, yeah, that's where I saw the impalas. You know, these people, what they do is very nice. They give you time to walk. Also, they give you time to sit in the electric vehicles, which is actually a memorial thing where you'll be like, yes, I'm sitting. You are not doing the same thing. You know, in life when you are doing same thing, like if we were just sitting in this, and they were just in this vehicle, and they are just moving without making us walk, or without making us see some things, like being in that bird cage, it will be very bad. It will be boring. But look how they did. I told you how they program their things is actually nice. They sit down, they program these things so that we viewers enjoy this. You see, those are the impalas I was talking about. Those are the impalas. I love impalas. And also, if you have tasted impala, it actually tastes nice. In my country, those animals, they were meant to be eaten by the kings and those highly chief priests or highly people in the community, elders. But yeah, we gotta do. I went in this one. This one was. That's what I wanted to really see. But I was like, let me see this at last. The snake part. You know, these animals, they are scary. I don't want to lie. Look at this one, the big one. This big one. Imagine this one. If it sees you, you can fit inside. You can have a bedroom inside its stomach. This one is too much. I don't know how it does everything, like to just make you fit inside this small stomach. But we don't know. We are not the one who created these ones. So only the creator knows. But look at its head. it's very, very, very traumatizing. It's very, very traumatizing. But hey, we have to see everything. So we reached this part and we saw this one. Hey, this one was just chilling down. I think it was just chilling down, not even thinking about anything. Just I think it was even sleeping. I think it was sleeping, just sleeping. And if you just walk in this one without really looking, you won't see anything. Because some of the snakes, they were hiding. Even here, other animals you were not able to see it because they were hiding. But this one you can see because there's some lights. You can see the snake, it's moving. It's there. I think this one was the python there, and you can see other one is inside, but it's sleeping inside that tree trunk. It's sleeping. But this small python, it's dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. I don't know how they put it here there, because these guys, they are skilled. They know how they do their things. They know their things. You can check in this screen. There's a white thing, like a white rope. There's a snake. It's always sleeping. It was not even moving. I even tried to scare it, but you can't scare a snake. You can't scare a snake. Snakes, those are the very, very, very calculative animals on this planet. One of the most calculative animals. Like, it's a snake. A snake is too much. But me, I was also scared. Yeah. Now I was like, let me zoom it. Let me see if is it a rock or it's a snake. But you can see it's a snake. I don't know where its head is, but it's just chilling down. It's even thinking about the food or something. Then we finished the adventure. I was like, I'm hungry. After watching these animals, let me go and eat. I bought my water and I bought some food from Subway. You see how I'm eating? Let's see. Let's find out. I was hungry. I even borrowed some tomatoes to add. I love vegetables. I put some tomatoes inside the bun, and I was eating the Italian bread with the roasted chicken. We finished. I was, let me go and see the beautiful view of the statue, the tallest statue in the world. I was like, let me zoom it. It's actually nice. It's very, very good. I love it. Then I was like, okay, thank you very much. Let me go home. Guys, this was very good adventurous. It was not time to go home. I was in a ritual going to the parking spot to go and see my bike. I had missed my bike. I would like to say, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me. Continue increasing the family. Continue being with me. Let's view this India. Let's see every part of India together. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share.